Welcome to beautiful lakefront single-family home located at 3149 Southwest 133rd Avenue, Miramar, Florida, 33027. Priced at $815,000, this spacious residence offers 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2,590 square feet of living space. Perfect for families looking for comfort and style. Before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button so you never miss out on the latest real estate listings. You'll find the purchase link in the description below. Built in 2002, the home sits on a 6,060 square foot lot, providing ample outdoor space and stunning lake views. The interior features modern amenities, including a formal dining area, dual sinks, an eat-in kitchen, and a cozy sitting area in the primary bedroom. With central heating and cooling, the home offers year-round comfort, while the flooring combines tile and carpet for a warm and elegant feel. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances such as a dishwasher, dryer, microwave, refrigerator, and washer. The exterior of the home is just as impressive, with a manicured yard, a spacious patio, perfect for relaxing, and impact-resistant doors for added security. The home also offers a 2-car attached garage and a paved driveway. This property is part of a community that provides additional amenities, including a pool, and the Homeowners Association HOA fee is $170 per month. For those concerned about affordability, the monthly payment is estimated at $4,696 based on a 30-year fixed loan at 5.587%, with property taxes at $482, home insurance at $306, and HOA fees at $170. A 20% down payment of $163,000 is recommended, with estimated closing costs of $32,600. This house has been on the market for 15 days and offers a unique opportunity to own a stunning lakefront home in a desirable community.